Hey, it's Mickey. Welcome to the first video in the ModelSpace GUI playlist. Today, I'm going to teach you about the application window and everything it takes to get started. When you load up the application, you'll be dropped into a window like this. The ModelSpace GUI utilizes logic-based flow diagrams to help users build simulations. You drop in nodes from the left, connect them to pass along information, run the simulation, and boom, you have a spacecraft in orbit. However, this video will be hyper-focused on all the options you see in the top left corner of the screen, and you can refer back to it if you have any questions. First, you have the option to save your simulation and load it back up. The GUI logs all the connections as JSON objects, so feel free to open that up in a text editor if you're curious to see how it works. Next, you have the pin descriptors toggle. If you ever want to know what a data pin is looking for or passing along, click on this to investigate. The Legends tab breaks down all the pins that you use to pass information between nodes. This is mostly self-explanatory, but you can pause here to read the description on the screen or look in the user's guide if you have any questions about that. The node menu groups together similar model types to simplify the ease of use of the GUI. The Dynamics tab utilizes ADX's pre-built library of models. The GNC models lets you build complex GNC from our building blocks. Assemblies lets you import important models necessary for a valid simulation. Power lets you model the power input and output of a spacecraft. Sensors use commonly utilized components of a spacecraft. Initial states lets you initialize orbital elements. Visuals lets you visualize the spacecraft. Logging lets you output any data that you want to a .csv file. And inputs lets you generate user inputs for the simulation. Alongside this, any custom models you create will be valid and available here. Follow along with the rest of this playlist to see all the ways that you can use ModelSpace to help design your mission. Happy simming!